Hi guys, it's Dacey. I'm so excited to be partnering with Revlon again today to share with you guys new products from the Color Charge collection. In today's video, I'm gonna be focusing more on lip looks, but I'm also gonna share with you guys 2 new highlighting products as well. The Revlon Color Charge line is all about self-expression and creativity. The line features bold, vibrant, pigmented colors that you can mix and match and really customize your own look. The Revlon Color Charge collection is in stores right now, but it's only available for a limited time. You guys don't want to miss out. First, let's talk about the Revlon Color Charge Super Lustrous lipsticks. There are 10 bold new shades in this line, ranging all the way from nude to pink, purple, and red. Then we have the new Revlon Color Charge Super Lustrous lip glosses. There are 6 new shades. They range from varying intensities, but they are all beautiful, glossy, and creamy. Next, we have the Revlon ColorStay lip liners. There are 4 new shades as part of the Color Charge collection, and these were meant to perfectly complement the lipsticks and lip glosses. And now for the product that I am the most excited about. These are Revlon's new Color Charge lip powders. There are 2 different palettes. They both have 5 different shades with varying finishes of metallic. Let me swatch these so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is the Peach Pucker palette, and this one's my favorite because I feel like the warm tones in this palette work really well with my skin tone. First, we have this metallic ruby red. Next, we have a bubblegum pink, and this one's a little bit more of a cotton candy pink, a soft baby pink, which is really metallic, and then a really pretty gold. And you guys can see they have such a beautiful, intense metallic payoff. They can be worn on their own or mixed with your lip gloss or lipstick. And next, I'm gonna be swatching for you guys the High Fever palette, which has a little bit more cool tone shades with pink, purple, and silver. So first we have this bold purple shade, which is actually the color that I'm wearing right now. And then we have this deep metallic rose shade. It's kind of like a maroon. Next, we have a fuchsia magenta pink. Then we have a little bit of an icier pink. And last, we have this gorgeous metallic silver. As you guys can see, these are beautiful metallic chrome colors as well. I really love these lip powders because they're such beautiful colors that look amazing on their own and even better when layered. You can layer 1 or more of these powders over your lipstick and it creates an amazing multi-dimensional effect. These lip powders will multiply your lip color collection because there are dozens of combinations to try. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 3 of my personal favorite combinations, so let's get started. Alright, so I've already prepped my face with the Revlon ColorStay foundation, and I've actually mixed in a little bit of the Revlon Color Charge Liquid Illuminator. This is another great new product from the Color Charge line, and it comes in a beautiful champagne shade. You guys can either wear this mixed in with your foundation like I have on today, or you can put it on top of your foundation for a little bit more of an intense look, and it's really gonna help you achieve that gorgeous, healthy, luminous glow. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like swatched on the back of my hand. And you guys can see how pretty it looks when it catches the light. Alright, so moving on to lips, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys just how transformative these Color Charge lip products are. So I'm gonna be doing 3 different looks. I'm gonna do 2 using the same lipstick, but I'm gonna really transform the color by using the lip powders, just so that you can see how completely different a result you can get. And then I'm also gonna be doing a 3rd option where I use a gloss, and you'll see how that really just creates this chrome metallic effect. So to start off with the first 2 looks, I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Charge Super Lustrous Lipstick in Pink Punk Matte. So this color is obviously such a pretty and playful pink on its own, but I really wanna show you guys how you can totally transform the finish and the color of this lipstick. So I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Charge Lip Powder Palette in Peach Pucker. To apply the lip powders, I'm going to be using the Revlon Retractable Lip Brush. So this is your soft pink matte metallic ombre lip. Starting off again with my Pink Punk Matte Lipstick base, I'm gonna show you guys a totally different look. So I'm gonna go in with the High Fever lip powders. Using this purple shade up top, I'm gonna create a bold metallic purple lip. And here is your bold purple metallic look. I love the way this purple powder completely changed the look of my pink lipstick, and I think that's the really fun thing about these lip powders is that there's endless possibilities on the different looks that you can create. Now I'm going to be creating a sparkly glossy look, so this time I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Charge Super Lustrous Lip Gloss in Punchy Pink. I'll start off by applying my lip gloss as my base. Now I'm gonna transform it with the silver powder from the High Fever palette. Alright, so this is my sparkly, glossy chrome look. I think that this is really fun and different. It would be great for a night out or a special event. It's just an unexpected twist to your look. Alright, so now I'm gonna finish off this look, and I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Charge Powder Highlighter. To get an illuminated glow, I'm going to be applying this on the tops of my cheekbones, a little bit under the brow bone, the inner corner of the eye, and a little bit on the Cupid's bow as well. Lastly, I'm going to be popping some color on my cheeks, so I'm using the new Revlon Color Charge Powder Blush in No Rules. I know that when you use blush, you probably go for a peach or pink tone, but don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try something like this, because on your face, it's actually a really flattering color. Alright, so this is the finished look. I love the way all these colors work together, and I think that's the fun thing about the Color Charge line is that you're gonna be trying color combinations that you probably otherwise wouldn't. So it's really fun to step outside of your comfort zone and try new looks. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this look at Color Charge, especially the lip powders. I had so much fun showing you guys different combinations, and I really encourage you guys to try it for yourself and create your own bold colors. For more information on the entire Revlon Color Charge collection, be sure to go to Revlon.com, and don't forget that these products are only around for a limited time, so be sure to head to Walgreens or CVS to pick them up. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Revlon's YouTube channel, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite lip look was from this video. I'm Dacey, thank you so much for watching. Bye!